my sister, and she's dreadfully afraid of birds. So this is pretty funny. If I scare it, she'll probably freak out.
It's not scaring the bird at all. Caitlin, all the babies should be crying.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Woo, woo.
This is gonna be the best video ever.
Oh, Lord. Hi, birdie. Okay, y'all stay down there. Don't come up near me. Oh, God, here he comes. Here he comes. Ah, what is that on me? Oh, my God.
Over your shoulder.
What?
Did he hit me? Come on. Come on. He's looking at you, Caitlin, I swear. Come on.
Oh, God.
You're like covered with birds, Kate. Come on.
Oh, dear. Oh,
Come on. I gotta go wash my hands. I'm trying to get this one on her, too.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was loud.
Oh.
I feel a claw. Oh, my God.
He's kissing you. No, he's just cleaning your hair for you. Don't worry. It feels kind of good if you get used to it. Just looking for lice, Kate. Looking for lice.
Oh my God, no, not up there again, please, no. No, the food. The food is down here. Eee! How do you get these things off?
You want me to take them?
Here, I'll try. Come on. There's 3 of them on me, please.
You guys are rich, they're full.
I guess when I get full, they leave
Okay,
you.
Yeah.
just stick your arm out.
He likes you,
I
sissy.
don't even like birds. Is he still on me?
I'll get him and I'll see if
Is he off?
Yeah.
Is he off? Oh my God.